Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have a marginal risk. Actually, there are three marginal risks for tomorrow. One covering South Central South Dakota and North Central Nebraska. A second one covers Southeastern South Dakota, Eastern Nebraska, and Northeastern Kansas, Northern Missouri, most of Iowa, parts of Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, and parts of the UP of Upper Michigan. The third marginal tomorrow covers North Central Virginia, parts of West Virginia Panhandle, Washington, D.C., Northern Maryland, Northern Delaware, the eastern half of Pennsylvania, including my area, northwestern New Jersey, and southeastern New York State. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Omaha, Nebraska, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat. There is no tornado threat for tomorrow. So that's good news. Going to tomorrow's wind now. There are two areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covers northeastern Kansas, northern Missouri, eastern Nebraska, most of Iowa, southeastern South Dakota, southeastern Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, and parts of the UP of Upper Michigan. And the second 5% wind risk tomorrow covers North Central Virginia, parts of the Panhandle of West Virginia, Washington, D.C., Northern Maryland, Northern Delaware, the eastern half of Pennsylvania, including my area, northwestern New Jersey, and parts of New York State, a little bit of southeastern New York State. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Omaha, Nebraska, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. Going to tomorrow's hail threat now. There are two areas where we have 5% hail risk areas for tomorrow. One covering South Central South Dakota and North Central Nebraska. The second 5% hail risk tomorrow encompasses East Central Nebraska, the very far extreme northern edge of Missouri, most of Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, parts of Wisconsin, and a tiny bit of the UP of Upper Michigan. The 5% hail risk areas tomorrow include Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Rochester, Minnesota, and Waterloo, Iowa. In summary, a few strong to severe storms may occur from the mid-Missouri Valley across Wisconsin and into Upper Michigan Friday, with areas of strong and damaging wind gusts and isolated marginal hail. Other storms may produce locally damaging gusts over parts of the Northeast and hail over parts of the central Nebraska and South Dakota. So, that's your Day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Even though they're only marginal, you never know what marginal we can pull off sometimes. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 severe weather outlook video. Take care.